Hey guys, our next dish is cooking mopani worms. Today we'll be cooking mopani worms. We call them Masonja in Tsonga. I got them from the Palamura region. They were dried when I bought them, and they also sell them when they are still raw and alive during February and March, during the summer season. Yeah, but mine are already dried. Now what's left for me is to cook them. I will be showing you the ingredients and how we cook masonja. Now I'll be showing you the ingredients. These are our mopani worms. As you can see, they are still raw. You see? I know some of you are saying, how do we eat this kind of worms? They are so delicious when they are cooked so well. So now they are still hard, as you can see. What's left for me now, or when I cook this, I have to put this on cold water or warm water in order for them to be soft before I cook them. Because now they are still hard, I need to soften them. These are my tomatoes. I'll be using 2 tomatoes because my mopani worms are a little bit more. This is my cooking oil. I won't put too much cooking oil. This is my salt, in order for them to have good taste. And I will also need water when cooking them. So guys, now I'll be showing you on how we cook our masonja. Now our mopani worms, they are being cooked, and as you can see, the steam is moving up. I want to see if they are boiling well or what. I have already added water and a tomato, but I haven't added the cooking oil and the salt, so I still want to check how far they are now. As you can see, they still have water in them, but they are boiling so well, and I like the color. It shows that they are cooking well. Now I just want to add salt and the cooking oil. Now I'm adding the salt. Now I'm adding my cooking oil. Not too much cooking oil, just for it. Now I will let them boil for 5 minutes. If you wanna add some soup, you can also add some soup, but then if you don't wanna add some soup, then it's fine. After boiling, it means after boiling for 5 minutes, then it means they are ready. Now they are ready for me to dish. Even the color, it looks so good. So I will dish out now. They are now cooked. Well done. You can even see the gravy. Our mopani worms are now cooked, as you can see. Now well done. I will taste them for you guys. They are well cooked and they are well done. The salt is on the average side, it's good. Then the cooking oil, everything is good. Thank you guys for watching us cook.